Okay, picture this. You're waiting for your favorite phone to launch, or maybe you've ordered sneakers online. You track the shipment and see... stuck at port? No big deal, right? But what if I told you that one stuck ship halfway across the world could delay your sneakers, your coffee, your new laptop, and even your car delivery, all at once? Sounds crazy? Welcome to the global supply chain, my friends, the world's most complex relay race, where if one runner trips, everyone falls. And trust me, after the last few years, this system has seen more drama than your favorite Netflix series. So today, let's decode how global supply chains actually work, why they're so fragile, and how events like a stuck ship or political tension can shake up the entire world economy. Let's start small. You walk into your local supermarket, and suddenly your favorite cereal or coffee brand is missing. You think, did everyone just start loving this brand overnight? Nope. It's probably sitting inside a container, waiting to be unloaded thousands of kilometers away. Remember when that giant ship Ever Given blocked the Suez Canal? One ship got wedged, and global trade worth over $9 billion a day came to a halt. That's like freezing Amazon for a week. That's the ripple effect. One disruption, and the shockwaves are felt everywhere, from the port in Egypt to your breakfast table in India. Now let's talk about the system that makes it all tick, the famous just-in-time model. Companies realized, why keep huge warehouses when you can produce and deliver things just in time? Smart, efficient, cost-saving, until the system sneezes. During COVID, when factories shut down and ships got delayed, that perfect plan went poof. Suddenly, car companies couldn't get microchips, stores ran out of stock, and yes, even toilet paper became a rare collectible. It's like trying to bake a cake when one ingredient, say eggs, is missing, and every store in the city says, check back next week. But here's the real twist. It's not just accidents or pandemics messing things up. Politics also loves joining the party. When two countries start arguing, say over trade tariffs or sanctions, entire industries can feel the heat. Example, the US-China trade war. Suddenly, prices of gadgets, electronics, and raw materials shot up. Or when the Russia-Ukraine conflict began, energy prices went crazy worldwide. So yeah, what happens in one corner of the world doesn't stay there. It hits your wallet too. Luckily, we humans don't just panic, we innovate. Today, artificial intelligence predicts demand spikes before they happen. Blockchain tracks every container like a digital fingerprint, and automation makes warehouses lightning fast. It's like upgrading the world's biggest delivery system with GPS, smart locks, and caffeine. We're moving from fragile to flexible, from reactive to resilient. So why should you care? Because this global network decides the prices you pay, the jobs you get, and even how fast your online order arrives. Every product, from your phone to your food, is a global team effort. Next time your package says delayed due to global issues, you'll know. That's not just bad luck. That's economics in action. The global supply chain is like the world's biggest group project, and you know how those usually go. One person slacks off, and the entire team panics. But the good news is, we're learning, adapting, and building stronger systems for the future. So if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real-world economics made simple, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Candida Gomez, and this is EcoFin Concepts, where we turn complex economics into everyday stories that actually make sense.